Imagine a computer so powerful it makes everything else look like a toy. Apple is about to drop a massive bomb on the tech world. The new M5 Ultra Mac Studio and M5 Pro Mac Mini are coming much sooner than anyone expected. These machines are not just a simple upgrade. They're going to completely destroy the Windows PC market. If you thought the last generation was fast, you are truly not ready for this. We have 7 mind-blowing updates to talk about today. These fresh updates reveal exactly what Apple has been hiding behind closed doors. Let us dive right into the details that will change how we look at desktop computers forever. The first major update is actually happening right now on Apple's very own website. Apple is doing something they have literally never done before. They are quietly stopping you from buying certain custom configurations of the current Mac Mini and Mac Studio. If you go online today and try to order a Mac Studio with over 96 gigabytes of memory, you will see it is completely grayed out. It actually says unavailable. You simply cannot order it. The exact same thing is happening with the M4 Pro Mac Mini. If you want a 64 gigabyte RAM version, you cannot buy that one either. This is a massive clue. It means the brand new M5 series models are right around the corner. We could easily see them drop as early as next month if Apple decides to push them out fast. At the absolute latest, they are 100% coming by June during their big developer event. Apple is clearly clearing out the old stock to make way for the new beasts. Now, let us talk about pure speed. Update number 2 is all about the unbelievable performance numbers of the M5 Pro Mac Mini. We are looking at record-breaking single-core performance. It is simply faster than anything else out there on the market right now. The multi-core scores are also insanely fast. Even the base model 15-core M5 Pro is scoring just as high as the older M4 Max chip. That is a massive generational leap in power. But the absolute best news is about the upgrades. With the M5 Pro chip, you can now upgrade to the exact same 18-core CPU that you get in the top-tier M5 Max. Having this ridiculous amount of CPU power inside the tiny little Mac Mini body is absolute madness. And the graphics are getting a huge boost too. We still have up to a 20-core GPU. However, Apple tweaked the architecture. You are now getting 23% faster graphics performance across the board. Update number 3 brings us to the heavy hitters. We're talking about the Mac Studio packed with the M5 Max and the M5 Ultra. The M5 Max chip has already proven to be an absolute monster in recent laptop tests. It completely wipes the floor with the previous versions in almost every single way. When compared to top-tier Windows gaming laptops like the new Razer Blade 16, the M5 Max destroyed it completely. It even held its own against the world's fastest RTX 5090 GPU. For things like gaming AI performance and quick 3D renders, the M5 Max is a powerhouse. It actually beat the 5090 in a highly complex swamp render test. That is the first time a Mac chip has ever pulled off something like that. The huge secret weapon here is unified memory. The M5 Max can use up to 128 gigabytes of unified memory. The laptop version of the RTX 5090 is limited to just 24 gigabytes of video RAM. Even a massive desktop 5090 stops at 32 gigabytes. Windows machines just cannot compete with that massive shared memory pool. Update number 4 is where things get truly insane. Let us look at the performance estimates for the upcoming M5 Ultra. The single-core score is going to be blistering fast. We are expecting it to hit around 4,400 points. Literally nothing else in the entire world can touch that right now. The multi-core score is expected to reach close to 35,000 points. How did Apple manage this massive jump? They completely got rid of the wasteful efficiency cores. Instead, they packed the chip with super cores and brand new mid-performance cores. For the graphics, we know the M5 Max has a 40-core GPU. That means the M5 Ultra will simply double that. It will feature a massive 80-core GPU. While it might not be quite as fast as a giant desktop RTX 5090 in raw gaming frame rates, it is going to be dangerously close. And it will do all of this using a fraction of electricity. That is simply unbelievable engineering. Update number 5 is the biggest buzzword in the tech industry right now. We have to talk about artificial intelligence. These new M5 series chips are getting a massive upgrade for AI tasks. Apple is building dedicated MLX AI accelerators directly into the silicon. The jump in AI performance we are seeing is absolutely bonkers. Right now, almost every major company is building their AI software for the Mac first. We are already seeing major apps like Gemini and CodeDX prioritize the Mac ecosystem. There are 3 big reasons why Apple Silicon is the ultimate choice for AI developers. First is that incredible unified memory architecture. The system can instantly switch memory between standard system RAM and GPU video RAM on the fly. On the M5 Ultra, you can have up to a massive 512 gigabytes of this memory. Second is the incredibly fast GPU performance. Third is the world-class CPU speed. Fast CPUs are becoming super important for certain AI tasks, like prefill performance. This frees up the GPU to handle the heavier AI processing. Apple Silicon gives you the best of all 3 worlds. It also provides a very stable and capable operating system. That is exactly why these machines are selling like crazy for AI work. For update number 6, we have a huge surprise that nobody saw coming. The internal storage speeds are getting an insane upgrade. Apple is finally using brand new PCI Express 5.0 SSDs. The M5 Max gets over 16,000 megabytes per second in write speed on the 2 terabyte drive. That speed is completely unheard of. It easily destroys everything else in its price range. Even the M5 Pro comes with an ultra-fast SSD. It hits over 14,000 read and write speeds. This essentially makes it twice as fast as every other laptop and desktop competitor out there. These blazing fast SSDs are going straight into the new Mac Mini and Mac Studio. You'll be able to load massive files, edit huge video projects, and boot up heavy applications in the blink of an eye. Finally, update number 7 is all about the pricing. You might think all these massive upgrades will cost an absolute fortune. The great news is that base prices are barely going up. Most configurations will only see about a $200 increase. But there is a very fair reason for this. Just like they did with the recent MacBooks, Apple is removing the tiny, old base storage options. You are essentially forced to get a better machine from the very start. The base Mac Mini will now start at 512 gigabytes instead of 256. That completely explains the small price bump. If you go for the higher-end M5 Max, you have to start at 1 terabyte. The mighty M5 Ultra will start at 2 terabytes for around $4,400. These are very small price adjustments for getting double the base storage. Meanwhile, the rest of the PC world is raising prices like crazy right now. Microsoft just hiked prices across their entire hardware lineup. Building your own DIY PC is also super expensive right now because memory prices are skyrocketing. Apple is basically keeping the actual computer price exactly the same. In my honest opinion, these new Apple computers are going to be absolute game changers. The Mac Mini and Mac Studio will completely dominate the professional workflow scene. The value here is simply unmatched. The Mac Mini is still going to be the absolute best value desktop computer you could buy anywhere. You get a perfect mix of raw power, thermal efficiency, and pure speed. It is honestly cheaper and far more powerful than trying to build your own custom PC in today's market. The incredible upgrades to the SSDs and the massive leap in AI performance make this a huge win for consumers. Apple has truly outdone themselves this time. The competition has a very long way to go to catch up. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.